YouTube, here we come with the baseball ninja. If we pull mojo out of this, we have done something serious. Just saying. Yes, it is. And we'll just skip to the color. Ray Maoga, gold. Number 209 out of 213. Von Miller, not numbered. Calvin Johnson, not numbered. Troy Aikman, not numbered. Junk. 4,000 Yard Club, Tom Brady. 1,000 Yard Club, Beast Mode. A mini. And more damn base. Oh no, and rookies. The rookies are Tyrann Mathieu, T.J. McDonald, Terrence Williams, Demontre Moore, Sean Williams, Stedman Bailey, Matt Barkley, Josh Boyce, Chris Harper, Dwayne Allen, Darius Butler. Oh, no, those are vets now. And nothingness. All right. We got it now. We got it. Anquan Bolden, 11 out of 2013. Aldon Smith. Tom Brady. Joe Green. 4,000 Yard Club, Josh Freeman. 1,000 Yard Club, Reggie Wayne. AJ Green mini. And let's get into the base. Aaron Dobson, DJ Swearinger, Vance McDonald, Magnus Hunt, David Amerson, Le'Veon Bell, Kiko Alonso, Kaiwan Short, Robert Woods, Cliff Averill. Oh no, so that's it, and base. Base. All right, Andy Dalton, Troy Polamalu, junk. Oh shit! There's the hit. 4,000 Yard Club. Then the mini. Get all this junk out the way. Sam Bradford, quarterback mojo. Oh shit! That's a nice 3-color patch. The kid that just got hurt. 4-color. 1, 2, 3, 4 of EJ Manuel. Not numbered. It's a nice one there. And the rookies are Kasim Green, Tyler Wilson, Alex Okafor, Bacardi Rambo, Rex Burkhead, and Juwan Jamison, and Zach Deist. Yeah, that's a nice one there. Too bad the Joker couldn't slide. It's a nice one. A pink, 71 out of 399. Brandon Pettigrew. Yeah, he should have. Patrick Peterson. Anquan Bolden. Troy Aikman. Matt Ryan. Marcus Colston. and a mini of Roddy White. The rookies are Geno Smith, Eddie Lacy. Let me turn around. Travis Kelk. Bleedy Ray Wilson, Mike Glennon, Keenan Allen, Marcus Wheaton, John Jenkins, and Jordan Reed. He was trying to be a superstar and it backfired. No one likes tough guys in street clothes. Justin Smith Gold, 1027 out of 2013. Russell Wilson, Jason Witten, Marshall. Tommy Brady again. Brian Hartline again. And a mini of Tommy's favorite guy, Christian Pondea. Ronnie Hillman, Monty Ball, Arthur Brown, Jamar Taylor, Jamie Collins, John Bostic, Gavin Escobar, Kerwin Williams, Jonathan Banks, Brad Sorensen, and that's it on the rookies. For some reason, I'm giving you duplicates of the rookies, which is awkward. Probably get it to them now. Giovanni Bernard, AP, Carson Palmer, Chris Johnson. Oh, sweet Jesus. Sweet Jesus. Well, we got close. We got close. We got close, kids. Just saying. Something you wouldn't expect in this shit. That's for true. You got to get all Reggie Wayne is the mini. A goddamn Deion Sanders jumbo autograph. Prime time. And I hope they aren't out. 1 out of 20. Wow. 1 out of 20. Damn. Did not expect that one. Let's see. Oh. Of course it would be me. Wow, why the fuck did I pick them? Rigged. Kenny Vaccaro, Kevin Minter, Matt Scott, Miguel Masonette, Tyvon Austin, EJ Manuel, Justin Hunter, Marquise Gooden, Eric Reed, Star Lutulue, Denard Robinson, and Base. Jesus Christ. That's a nice card, too. It's got a 5-star type of look to it. 1 out of 20. Damn, that's nice. This has been a sick-ass box of Topps Jumbo. Just saying. Yeah, I don't care. I got them in the right mini. I'm not keeping it. I got them in the right one, and the one I got looks a tad bit better. But good Lord. Topps Jumbo. That's all I'm concerned about. Demontre Moore, 1592 out of 2013. Victor Cruz. Man, I can't even talk now. Arian Foster, Marshall Faulk. That is crazy. It's like 80-something bucks. It's hella cheap. Peyton Manning, Dez Bryant, and Doug Martin. This is one of the 55,000 boxes that paid for themselves. Niles Davis, A. Sanders, Andre Ellington, Ryan Swoop, Tavares King, Joseph Randall, Stephen Taylor, Marcus Lattimore, Kajon Barner, and base is the rest. Yeah, guys, we still got a hit to go. There's no way we saw that coming. Did you get out your bed and say, This top jumbo was going to be the best hits. Yeah, I didn't think so. Nice one. G.I. Joe edition. 209 out of 399. Kobe. Jimmy Graham. Anquan Bolden. Super Bowl winner-up a lot. Jim Kelly. Andrew Luck. Julio. And a mini of my alcoholic baby out on Smith. The rookies are Bajon Jr., Dayton Jones, Sylvester Williams, Kobe Hamilton, Matt Elam, Darius Slay, Manti Te'o, Tank Carradine, and Christine Michelle, whatever. They've cleaned this product up something serious. Like, I don't think I've said a duplicate rookie yet. Uh-oh, sorry, YouTube. That Deion Sanders is pretty. Uh-oh, we got another hit. We got another hit. I think. Tavares King. Number 348 out of 399. Cordero Patterson. Peyton Manning behind his GM. Josh Freeman again for some reason. Roddy White. And it never fails. Saints and Joey. Frank Gore's the mini. And Atlanta Moore for the Saints. Joey and his Saints mojo. I'm taking the Saints next time, just saying. Tyler Eifert, Sharif Floyd, Xavier Rhodes, DeAndre Hopkins, Cordero Patterson, Travis Frederick, Jonathan Cooper, Zach Ertz, and Giovanni Bernard. Man, he ain't got a stockpile, he got a asset pile. Maurice Claiborne, 766 out of 213. Demaryius Thomas, not numbered. Peyton Manning, not numbered. Junk, 4,000 yard club. Tony, 1,000 yard club. ACL, Achilles guy. And Arian Foster mini. Jonathan Hankins, Alec Ogletree, Theo Riddick, Luke Jokel, Lane Johnson, Zach Stacy, Barkevius Mingo are the rookies. And Chance Warmack, DJ Hart, Hayden, Mike Gillespie, Jonathan Franklin, Kenny Stills, Landry Jones, Ryan Nesbitt, Kyle Long, Desmond Trufant, and the rest is base. YouTube, we will be back. Sorry about the crooked beat up video. Having fun though.